What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn some magic, so if you want to learn some magic, give this a thumbs up. We're going to learn to move stuff with our minds. So be sure to subscribe, and let's get right into it. You guys a cool trick with a straw and a salt shaker. So take the salt shaker and put it right in the middle. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your straw and you're going to tear it like this. You want to pinch this one side and then pull the rest all the way through like that. So you're going to create static within the straw. You're going to place it down and try not to have it move on you. And then just move your fingers close and it'll start spinning. And then act as if you're moving it with your mind. And move back a little bit so people don't think you're breathing on it. So that's how you do that. Guys, I just want you to be mindful of what you're putting the straw on. So this might give you an issue because it is a flatter object on top. The straw actually might roll off rather than spin for you. So just keep that in mind. Also, like this would be cool because even though it's flat, it's still made of metal and it won't have as much friction when it's trying to spin. And it's also kind of a bit rounder at that top. So look for something that's a little bit rounded. I know salt shakers have, there's flat salt shakers and there's ones that are kind of like beveled, and then there's like the really sharp ones. You want to get the little bevel one. That works a lot better. So be sure to just be mindful of what you're putting it on. That way you're not sitting there and the straw is stuck and not spinning for you. Because if you've seen in the video, I did have a little bit of an issue in the beginning. So just be mindful and have fun with it. So be sure to subscribe, like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.